Hottie. She's a hottie without the makeup. I remember when she used to first put her makeup on, it used to get me so insecure because she was so cute and she was going into the world. So I could see her. Thank you. You gotta change your clothes for Blessy. Put some extra socks in here. All we gotta do is get wipes and diapers.
Today is Friday and we're on our way to go to Six Flags to celebrate Sap's birthday. So right now we are taking Bless in the house to my mom so that she can watch him for today. So
Sunday my birthday, but
oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, little you. Okay. Yeah, and I worked last night.
Y'all have a lot of space to do this, and y'all.
Yeah, oh yeah.
They'll come home walking tonight.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, you try to get on their dad, look. Go ahead, baby, huh?
No, he don't want that.
He's still waking up.
You guys have a safe trip.
Yep, y'all. Vivid. Me and my honey on our way to Six Flags. Since I work Saturday and Sunday, and I'm off today, Friday, we're gonna go today and have fun. You know, while the kids are at school, Bless is with grandma. So it's just me and my honey today. She's looking all sexy and cute. Have so much fun.
Yeah.
And it's in the rain. Yes, in the rain. We are gonna have so much fun. It was raining when we went to Dorney Park, wasn't it? No, it wasn't rain. No. That's when we went to the Spirit Cruise. But it's raining, but
it's gonna start pouring around 5 there, so that's when we're gonna leave.
we start seeing it pour down. Yeah. Right, honey? We'll see y'all later. Right now we're on the way to go get my honey something to eat. No, because she needs something to eat. She's saying she don't want nothing to eat, but she needs something to eat for when we go on the highway.
No, it's gone now.
It's gone. Well, we got Dunkin' Donuts for the trip.
Check in, everybody. Oh my gosh, so we are in New Jersey right now, and it was pouring raining when we first got here, pouring so bad, like, and then my phone died. So we're at Sunoco right now getting a charger so I can charge my phone, and I think we're gonna go back to Six Flags because it doesn't look, I mean, it's wet out here, but it's not pouring like it was. I really don't want to ride rides in the rain, and if it was up to Seth, we would be doing it. But they closed down most of the rides when we first came because it was, like I said, pouring down raining, but now it's sunny. So we're gonna go back after he gets this charger and see if the rides are back up or not. If not, we are gonna find something in New Jersey to do today before we go back to PA. So I will check back in with y'all later. Arvin, so after about 40 minutes of wrong turns from Seth.
It wasn't 40 minutes.
Supposing he was supposed to be my GPS direction, and we missed like 7 turns because of this man. We've been driving around for 45, 50 minutes just to get to Golden Corral. Oh, I told you where we were. This is where we are. This is where we are. Golden Corral. So we're about to go eat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Blow out. Wait, make a wish. They're melting. Hurry, hurry, they're melting.
It's his cake. Go ahead, honey, make a wish. We love you, honey.